Revision or revising is not a new process for all of us. But how many times have you felt that it becomes a boring process? When it comes to revising a subject which you have already studied n number of times, you begin to feel that pressure, that boredom. Am I right? Now, when it gets repetitive, you start to get repelled by the revision process itself. It becomes a speed breaker. And I'm 100% sure you all will agree with this. Let me know in the comment section. While preparing for a competitive exam like CSIR NET, we all know the mantra to succeed. And that includes planned revisions. In fact, I have made a video also earlier. But with exams getting postponed, results getting delayed, how many times you should study the same thing again and again, isn't it? Revision becomes boring. Now, you need to qualify this exam, so you need to study, you need to revise these topics in 1 or 2 months or like every month. But by the time you touch your exam date, exam is getting postponed. Now you are bound to get frustrated. And it is an overwhelming situation, even for the toppers as well. It's not just you, everybody is feeling the pain. And that is the reason at Biotecnika, to make this revision process easy, we have come out with a brand new product, which we proudly call as Concept Cloud. Whenever you study for your exams, you tend to create milestones. Let us call them memory milestones, right? Now, these memory milestones are what is going to help you recall the concepts faster. One way of creating memory milestones is obviously creating your own notes, okay? So you take a pen and paper, you make notes. Even though it is effective, it can turn out to be bulky and time consuming. The problem arises when you have to go through the entire notes while revising, which might equally become as big as a reference book, right? Like Lehringer or Karp. It is again tedious process and doesn't serve the purpose. So at Biotecnika, we thought, how can we make the revision process simpler and faster? And this is where Concept Cloud comes in. Concept Cloud is the latest study tool created by our experts for CSIR NET exam. These are 60 hard copy cards that are going to act as your memory milestones. Now, these cards are easy to carry. You can stick it in your study room or the study table. You can just put it there and you can look at them whenever you are preparing. Now, for instance, let's take an example. You've just completed Unit 1 and you're going to move to Unit 2 now. All you have to do is, you want to revise Unit 1, so you take the Concept Cloud of Unit 1 in a while for revision. And for example, the important topics of Unit 1 like glycolysis or Krebs cycle will be written on the cloud. Okay. Every time you look at the word, every time you look at it, the process will get triggered in your brain and you will start recalling what is glycolysis. Okay. The entire step involved will start getting recalled in your mind. Okay. It will get registered faster. Now, this is how we have created memory milestones for every unit. So every card is designed in such a way that it contains words representing all the important concepts you must be knowing from that particular unit. Now, so let me tell you how it works. Now, each word in the Concept Cloud is represented in different font sizes. So some are bigger, some are smaller. Smaller means it's not so important, but bigger means it's very, very important. Okay, the bigger the word, the more importance you should be giving to that topic. So suppose in Unit 1 you have glycolysis and next to it you have ATP synthase. Now, ATP synthase is depicted in a smaller font in a different color because it is not that important as glycolysis and more question comes from glycolysis. But it's something you must know. So obviously that also is there in the card. Now in this way, all the important concepts of Unit 1 will be right in front of you. Okay, and you will also know which topic needs more revision and which topic needs less revision. Trust me when I tell you this, our students have already been using this for past 3 months and they have given us great feedback. We are flooded with emails telling how helpful this technique has been for them. Now they do not have to depend on the lengthy notes for revision. They need not open the book. All they have to do is look at the concept cloud and they can recall the concepts faster. And whenever they are not able to recall, obviously then only they need to open the book. Imagine just before exam, you have 60 cards of A5 size and all you have to do is just go through the cards, go through the words, and automatically you will be able to recall all of them, right? This is very, very effective. Imagine how fast you can revise, and that is what Biotecnica's Concept Cloud is all about. Now, this particular study will aid and revolutionize the way you revise for CSIR NET Life Science exam. And very soon, we are also going to come out with Concept Cloud for GATE exams as well as other subjects such as chemical science, right? So stay tuned for that. So guys, what are you waiting for? The Concept Cloud comes with 60 cards, which is, and it is ultra cheap. Once you place the order, these cards will, reach you in a maximum of 7 working days. And while your cards are on the way, you'll get access to the virtual cards as well. So it's not that you buy today and you'll get the cards after 7 days. You'll get it immediately virtual, and later on you'll get the hard copy. And remember, what happens to the cloud, the same thing will happen to you. A cloud is full of water vapors, which translates into rain of concepts. So buy the Concept Cloud. The link is given in the description, and let the concepts rain in your mind. Another interesting aspect of this Concept Cloud, which I want to share with you, is we are letting you add words. Okay, so if you want a word to be added in the virtual card, you can do so. If you feel some words or concepts are missing, you can add them so that you can personalize your own virtual Concept Cloud. Okay, now there is an option for you to place a request to add words, and our team will review it and add it right there so that everybody else also gets a benefit. So the cloud is crowdsourced. So all of you can bring in your inputs, and these inputs from thousands of CSIR and aspirants like you matters the most in making the cloud bigger and better. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead, place your order and start revising from Concept Cloud. The link is given right there in the description. Let us make your revision easy, interesting, and effective process. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any questions, feel free to chat with our counselors, our experts. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. Or you can also dial our toll-free number 1-800-1200-1818. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.